Okay, so for about half a year, all this shit's been like this, because I wasn't able to get the drive shafts out. So I'm gonna take the whole lot off, because we're gonna be scrapping this. So 2 screws, one here, one at the back, and all this can come off, and then you can take the drive shafts out later. Okay, so 2 bolts have come off. They're fucking tough, guys, so I've used this lever here. Just extend it like this, and then it will be much easier to pull. All about the leverage. For those of you who don't know, should have gone to fucking school. So now this shit somehow should just come off. There is another bolt, so 3 bolts altogether, dudes. Sorry, we're not there yet. Fuck, we broke 2 of these fuckers, which is great, and I don't think I've got any more. Okay, dudes, I'm struggling, so you don't have to. So the reason why we broke off all those bolts, because these are in a fucking dodgy position. So you need to move everything up so that you can get to it, so you don't need an extender. So that's a trick, and now I think we got to the last bolt. Yeah, there it is. And finally, it's all off. Just cut off the brake lines, obviously. And that's it. Oh, boys and girls, for once it's not pissing it down. The sun is out. It's nearly Christmas. Friday the 13th. So let it bring us some luck. Right, we've taken off the subframe and the diff. That was a fucking mission. When taking it off, guys, here's a little tip. Obviously take off these 4 bolts, but don't undo them all at once. As for example, if you undo these 2, this part will hang, and it will be much harder to undo these other bolts. So kind of undo them evenly. And then obviously you have to disconnect it from the carriers, and out it comes. So this bit cost about 150 quid. So let's start with this bad boy. Okay, first we're gonna take out the handbrake, all the central panels,